Hello, you're on my channel Sweet Fruit Diet, and today I have a question for you. Do you think you're stressful? You have a stress? Or maybe you know somebody who is? Do you think stress is a case of obesity or overweight? Then this video is for you. In this video, I have planned to describe to you all the differences between good stress and bad stress. Check it out. And let's go started. We have two kinds of stress: good stress and bad stress. Good stress follows us during all our life. It's a boost of energy which tells us what to do. Our memory becomes better with stress. We can be able to solve our problem or any problem, daily problem. We are more energizer. We are more focused on our goal. It's a positive stress. Love is a stress. This kind of stress. Go to travel somewhere, it's a stress. Lose weight, it's a stress. Everything in our life, everyday life, it's a stress. It's absolutely natural, and we should not be worried about this. But the emotional stress, which stays with you weeks or even months, could be a case of real problem, like weak the immune system, anxiety, heart disease, obesity or overweight, depression, and even death. At which point should you worry about the consequences of bad stress? Warning things: if more than 2% noticed then you are very aggressive or you are quite not relaxed, aggressive, anxious. You become sick more often with cold. You feel regular body itches. 4. Do you have regular headache? 5. You have trouble feeling sleeping or staying awake? 6. You overeat regularly or eat too much. These signals, this sign you can recognize in your life, it means it's time to change something. You can try to reduce the production of hormone of stress, who control our body, and we know our body more than somebody else. And I'm happy to teach you how to improve your ability to handle stress. And first is exercise. Of course, a regular sport can help us clean our mood, especially is good for you this breathing exercise like yoga or meditation. Very good also gymnastics or walking or swimming or even dancing. Exercise can lift your blood. Do activity every day and feel positively. Second, you should try build strong relationship with people. Find some very good friends or some people who you feel happy with. Just small talk, face to face, can make you more energetic and positive. It really works when you talk with some positive people. Your environment should be positive. Choose the people who have positive in their life, who will not tell you some scary story about crime, about something not very positive, but spend time with people who would like to create something, people who have goal, people who want to travel or describe to you some interesting story. And this small contact will make you very strong, and you will have protection from your stress. Just do it. Third, what can help you reduce your hormone stress is a healthy lifestyle. It means eat healthy food, choose right diet, which can help you lose weight, get more vitamins. Always think what is good for my body and what is bad for my body. Choose for yourself the best product. Some of my video about diet and healthy lifestyle you can find on my channel. 4. Engage your senses. Engage your senses. We have 5 senses, yes? And if you learn how to impact on one of your senses, it can really have positive effect. You can completely eliminate stress from your life if you find how to impact. One of the most effective ways to figure out stress is to engage one or more of your senses: sound, taste, smell, touch, or through movement. But since we are different, all of us are different, maybe you need to get some experiment to choose the best technique which works for you. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, then I would like you to subscribe my channel and watch more video, and put your comment below. What is your way to reduce stress? How do you understand what is bad stress or good stress? What does it mean for you? Thank you for watching. Bye.